Motorcycle accidents are shocking and often deadly. Even a crash at low speeds can leave riders with life-changing injuries. Today I want to explain why these accidents are so dangerous and what that means for liability here in Virginia. I'm Ryan Wynn, owner of Wynn Injury Law. We specialize in helping people who've been seriously injured in accidents, including motorcycle crashes. If you or a loved one has been involved in a motorcycle accident, understanding liability and your rights early on can make a big difference. Motorcyclists are incredibly vulnerable. Unlike cars, motorcycles don't have airbags, seat belts, or steel frames to protect the rider. Your body becomes the crumble zone. Even minor impacts can lead to catastrophic injuries like traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord damage, amputation, and severe road rash. This is why fatalities are so high. Your body absorbs almost everything during a crash. And unfortunately, many of these accidents happen because other drivers fail to see motorcycles, don't yield the right of way, or are being distracted drivers behind the wheel. In Virginia, liability comes down to negligence, but the rules here are much stricter than many people realize. Virginia is a pure contributory negligence state. That means if a motorcyclist is found to be even 1% at fault for an accident, they may be completely barred from recovering compensation. Insurance companies know this and they use it aggressively. They'll look for anything to shift the blame onto the rider, whether that's alleged speeding, lane positioning, visibility, or helmet use. Even when another driver clearly caused the crash, insurers often argue the motorcyclist contributed in some way. That's why liability in Virginia isn't just about proving the other driver was negligent. It's about proving the rider was not. Let me give you an example. Imagine a motorcyclist riding straight through an intersection with the right-of-way. A car pulls out from a side street without yielding and causes a violent collision. The rider suffers severe injuries and faces months of medical treatment and rehabilitation. The insurance company may still argue contributory negligence, claiming the rider was traveling too fast, wasn't visible enough, or could have avoided the crash. This is where our work begins. We gather police reports, witness interviews, secure traffic or surveillance footage, and analyze the scene in detail. We focus on proving that the driver failed to yield, and just as importantly, that the motorcyclist did nothing to contribute to the collision. In Virginia, eliminating even a small allegation of rider fault can be the difference between full recovery and no recovery at all. When clients come to us after a motorcycle accident, we focus on investigating the crash thoroughly, documenting every detail, reviewing medical records, and working with accident investigation experts when needed. Determining liability under Virginia's contributory negligence rules, anticipating insurers' arguments, and building a case that protects the rider from unfair blame. If you or someone you care about has been injured in a motorcycle accident, it's critical to act quickly. At Wynn Injury Law, we're here to guide you every step of the way, so you can focus on healing, not fighting insurance companies. Give us a call or visit our website to schedule a free consultation. Let's make sure your rights are protected from day one. We are Wynn Injury Law, and we are here for you, Virginia.